Hello, good morning children. Welcome in our Kaka's English and Semi-English School, Latur. Today we will learn subject English for the class first. Our class is first and subject is English. Okay. In previous class we will see our previous chapter. Then now today we will learn about some various things. Okay, and our chapter name is English words we know. What is our chapter name? Our chapter name is English words we know. Okay, today we will learn only words, not any other thing. Means आज आपण या पाठामध्ये फक्त शब्द म्हणजे कोणत्या वस्तूला काय म्हणतो. What will we say? Things, various things. Which things? Things that is we will use in our daily routine life, in our home, at your home. Then in your school life, means school life things. Which things we use? म्हणजे आपण आपल्या घरामध्ये किंवा आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये ज्या काही वस्तूंचा वापर करतो त्याच पद्धतीने आपण आपल्या शालेय जीवनामध्ये म्हणजे शाळेमध्ये नेत असताना किंवा अभ्यास करत असताना वेगवेगळ्या ज्या काही थिंग्स असतात तर त्यांना इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतात. व्हॉट वी से इन इंग्लिश दॅट इज नो इन दॅट लेसन. मीन्स आपल्याला या पाठामध्ये काय करायचं आहे तेच पाहायचं आहे. ओके, देन इंग्लिश वर्ड्स वी नो. इंग्लिश मीन्स इंग्रजी. यू नो दॅट इंग्लिश मीन्स इंग्रजी. वर्ड्स मीन्स शब्दार्थ. वी मीन्स आपण. अँड नो मीन्स माहीत असणे किंवा जाणून घेणे. इंग्लिश वर्ड्स वी नो. इंग्रजी शब्द जाणून घेऊया. असं आपले काय आहे पाठाचं नाव आहे. इंग्रजी शब्द जाणून घेऊया. ओके, देन आय विल शो सम थिंग्स. मी तुम्हाला काही वस्तू दाखवणार आहे अँड यू विल टेल मी व्हॉट विल वी से ऑफ दॅट थिंग्स. नेम ऑफ दॅट थिंग्स. देन फर्स्ट look in the textbook, look at the pictures and tell. Look at the pictures and tell. Let's see. Look at the pictures and tell. Look means pahane. At the pictures means in the textbook there are give some pictures. मीन्स इन द टेक्स्टबुक आपल्याला या पाठ्यपुस्तकामध्ये काही पिक्चर्स दिलेले आहेत. अँड टेल मीन्स आणि सांगा. ते चित्र तुम्ही पहा आणि त्या चित्रांची नावे आपल्याला इथे सांगायची आहेत. बट हाऊ? इन इंग्लिश. इन इंग्लिश वी विल नो दॅट वर्ड्स व्हॉट वी से दॅट थिंग्स. अंडरस्टँड? ओके, लेट अस सी. देन फर्स्ट आय विल शो सम थिंग्स. ओके, what is this? This is a mobile. Okay, how we will write words? We will write words like that. Spelling, uchar, earth. Okay, means spelling of that word, pronunciation of that word and meaning of that word. Okay, then the first thing we will show that is a mobile. What is the spelling of mobile? The spelling of mobile is M-O-B-I-L-E. Mobile means mobile किंवा आपण त्याला दूरध्वनी असेही म्हणू शकतो. What we will say? दूरध्वनी. Okay. The next one is I will show you and you will tell me what we say. Okay. What is this? This is a pen. What is the spelling of pen? P-E-N. Pen. Pen means lekhani. Pen means lekhani. You will use this? You will use this, yes or no? Yes. In daily school life, we will use this thing. The pen is most important thing in our school life. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Then the next is the, I will show you. Yes. What is this? This is a pencil. This is a pencil. What is the spelling of pencil? C. Pencil. Pencil. Pencil means pencil. Pencil means pencil. Okay. What will we do from that thing? We will draw pictures. Yes, you know that? We will draw pictures from the pencil. Okay. Let's see. Next. Next is the, yes. What is this? What is this? Remember some? Remember some memories? This is our school's book. This is our green book. You know that. This is the book. Book means pustak. B-double-O-K. Book. Book means pustak. Okay. The next is the, yes, what is this? This is a notebook. This is a notebook. You will know difference in two things. Which one is the book and second is the notebook. This is a book and this is a notebook. These are look like same, but there is little bit difference. Okay, this is our textbook and this is our notebook. Means this book we will read, but in that we will write. That's why this is a book and this is a notebook. Understand? Good. Then notebook. 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 Notebook means wahi. Notebook means wahi. Okay. The next one is the, what is this? This is a duster. This is a duster. What is the spelling of duster? The spelling of duster is D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. Duster means pusni. Duster means pusni. What we will do from that? We will rub the board. We will clean the board from the duster. Okay. The next one is the, okay, what is this? This is a box. This is a box. What is the spelling of box? The spelling of box is B-O-X, box. Box means daba. Box means daba. Daba. There is a many types of boxes, means like that box, the second one our tiffin box, any other large box. There is a different types of boxes. Okay, but there is a common word, we will say that box. B-O-X, box means daba. Understand? Okay. The next one is the, what is this? What is this? This is a paper. This is a page or paper. Paper. What is the spelling of paper? The spelling of paper is P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Paper means kagad. Paper means kagad. This is the most important thing in our school life. Okay. The paper. We will write on the paper. That's why this is the most important thing. Okay. Then the next one is the, look. What is this? This is a bottle. This is a water bottle. In that, what is this? This is a water in that bottle. This is a water bottle. Okay. What is the spelling of bottle? B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. Bottle means बाटली. And water bottle means this is only bottle. This is an empty bottle means rikami batli. But in that there is a water, then we will say that water bottle. Water bottle means पाण्याची बाटली. Understand? Okay. Then the next one is the look. What is this? This is a stick. This is a stick. You remember some memories? What is this? This is a stick. Teachers मारतात की नाही यांनी? Okay, stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Stick means काठी. Stick means काठी. Okay. Stick means kathi. There is a meaning change. When we will use of that, we will use like that. This is a stick. We will use like that. What will we say? This is a stick. But we will use from stick like that. Make a line, make a diagram like that. Then we will say that is a scale. Scale means mozpatti. What is the spelling of scale? S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Scale means mozpatti. Scale means mozpatti. Okay. Then the next one is we will see some natural things. Okay. Then okay. First we will say, see, what is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a chair. Chair. What is the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chair means khurchi. Chair means khurchi. Where we have to use of the thing. These things we will use in our home, in our school. Where teacher sit? Teacher sit on the chair. But in our school, teacher is not sit. That's why the chair we will remember in our home. You see, in our home, there is a lots of chairs. What is the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chair means khurchi. Okay. Okay. Let's time for some natural things. Okay. Tell me, what is this? This is a leaf. This is a leaf. What is the spelling of leaf? The spelling of leaf is L-E-A-F. Leaf. Leaf means pan. Leaf means pan. Okay. There is a one leaf. There is a one leaf. That's why we will say leaf. Leaf means pan. But one concept is there. What is this? This is a lots of leaves. This is a lots of leaves. That's why one is leaf. But when there is a lots of leaf, we will say that leaves. We will say leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Leaves means pane. This is a singular form and plural form. Means एकवचन and अनेकवचन. जेव्हा एक असतं तेव्हा आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? पान. But when there are lots of, म्हणजे ते जेव्हा जास्त असतात त्यावेळेला आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? पाने. Means one is leaf and lots of is leaves. Leaf means pan and leaves means pane. And next is, what is this? This is a flower. You like that? You know na? I like flowers. Okay. What is the spelling of flower? F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Flower means fool. Flower means fool. Like that, there are lots of so many things in our home, in our school, and you know that what we will say in English of that things. Okay, some things we will see, learn. Let's repeat one more time. Okay, let's see. Which things we will see? We will see mobile. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Mobile means mobile. Then pen. P-E-N, pen means lekhani. Then pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pencil means pencil. Then book. B-O-O-K, book means pustak. Book. इन अवर स्कूल आपल्या शाळेमध्ये आपण येत असताना आपल्या बॅगेमध्ये काय काय असतं, बुक्स असतात, नोटबुक असतात, पेन पेन्सिल असतात ना. तर त्या सर्वांना इंग्लिशमध्ये कशा पद्धतीनं म्हणायचं. आता आपण शाळेमध्येही वापरत असताना या सगळ्या थिंग्सला इंग्लिश वर्डचा यूज करायचा. घरीही वापरत असताना वी विल यूज इंग्लिश वर्ड फॉर दॅट थिंग्स. ओके. देन नोटबुक. We will see difference in the book and notebook. Book is we will use for reading and notebook we will use for writing. Okay. Then B-O-O-K, book means pustak. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook means wahi. Then duster, we will rub the board. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster means पुसणी means रब द बोर्ड साफ करण्यासाठी आपण कशाचा वापर करतो, डस्टरचा. देन बॉक्स, B-O-X, बॉक्स मीन्स डबा. देर आर वेरियस टाइप ऑफ बॉक्सेस. ओके. पेपर, P-A-P-E-R, पेपर मीन्स कागज. there is a most important thing in our school life, paper. On that paper we will write. Okay. Then the bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle means batli. Now there is a empty bottle is bottle, and there is water. This is the water bottle. Water bottle means पाण्याची बाटली. Then stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick means काठी. Then scale, S-C-A-L-E, scale means mospatti. We will see the use of stick and scale. Stick is that's like, and scale is that's like. Okay. Then chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair means khurchi. Then leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf means pan, one leaf. Ek pan means pan, and there is a lot of leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves means pani. And the next is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower means fool. You like flower, I also like flower, and that is I like flowers. Okay. Then there is lots of like that words we will use. Window, door. At home there is a lot of things we will see. In the school, at your home, in your daily routine life, we will see a lot of things, and we will must know that what we say in English of that word, and we will use that. Okay. Like that, the another word is door, D-O-O-R, door means darwaza. Then room, R-O-O-M, room means kholi. Then window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window means khidki. There is lots of words. There is lots of words, and we will see that word, and this word you will write in your notebook and recite it well, and use of that words in our daily life, daily routine life. Okay. Understand? Very well. Very good. Then next we will see our homework. These words you will write 3 or 4 times and recite it and use it. Most important thing is, what is this? Recite it and use it. Okay. Our homework is exercise you will do at our home, at your home. Okay. The exercise is write down minimum 20 things names. 20 things names in which you see in your home and use that words in daily life. Okay, this is your homework. This is exercise, which is write down minimum 20 things names which you see in your home and use that words in daily life. Means कमीत कमी 20 वस्तूंची नावे तुम्हाला इंग्रजीमधून लिहायची आहेत आणि त्याचा वापर तुम्हाला तुमच्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये करायचा आहे. म्हणजे आपल्या घरामध्ये तुम्हाला ज्या काही वस्तू आजूबाजूला परिसरामध्ये दिसत आहेत तर त्या वस्तूंना तुम्ही इंग्रजीमध्ये काय म्हणू शकता हे तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे आणि त्याचा वापर तुम्हाला तुमच्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये करायचा आहे. इन दॅट which things we will see? Door, then window, then room, table, chair, bottle, bag, pen, pencil, like that 20 words you will write and recite it and use it. Okay, तर आज आपण इंग्लिश वर्ड्स वी नो या पाठामध्ये आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये आपल्या घरी किंवा शाळेमध्ये ज्या काही वस्तू आपण वापरतो त्या वस्तूंना इंग्रजीमधून काय म्हणतात हे आज आपण या पाठामध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे आणि याचा वापर पण आपण दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये कसा करायचा हे पण आपण यामध्ये शिकलेलो आहोत. तर नेक्स्ट पिरियडमध्ये आपण पुढचा पाठ घेऊया. थँक्यू.